guys, welcome back to Say What Reacts. We're back again with Twyla, and the time has come. The time has come.
Dun, dun, dun.
I'm so excited. Since the first time I had her here, after seeing a couple of her reactions with me, I was like, I have to show her this performance. And you guys have already seen the title, so you should know what it is. The performance of White Noise Thunder, Playboy, Artificial Love Live.
Playboy?
That's one of their songs. Each one of those is a song. White Noise is a song, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love.
White Noise has my attention too.
White Noise and Artificial Love are both in my top 3.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Sweet Lies, White Noise, Artificial Love. Those are my top 3.
Okay.
So these are, if Sweet Lies was in here, I don't even think I can handle it, because as it is, these 4 are amazing. So yes, I'm not even going to say anything else, guys, because we just need to get right into this video, because I'm anxious to see it every time. I'm happy to see it every single time, and I'm really anxious for Twyla to see it. So let's get right into this. Look at me. I'm like giddy smiling. It's bad. It's so bad. And this is back when Lay was still with them. And viral. Okay, there we go already. Oh, that eyeliner though. Yeah, this is my number 2 song. And that is actual rain. It's actually raining on stage. Don't you worry, baby. Okay, I won't.
What? Wait. How come their hair is not getting wet?
They're in the center.
Oh.
It's raining
around
white.
them.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Now later, that's a whole other performance. They do get wet. I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm sure you're not the only one.
I was waiting for that.
God, these vocals. This is all live. I just love this song. Like draws you in. Sky. So this song's Thunder. Chen's power is lightning. So this is kind of like his song. Yeah. They're so cute. Aww. And they always play rock, paper, scissors.
That's so cute.
And Dio just won. Dio won again. Watch this. Like, switches from like one to the other. Like, hold on, I'm rewinding that. Big ol' smile, and then, damn.
I see that.
It's just like a switch. I love Baekhyun's live voice. Yeah, Dio. Every time I watch it, it just, yeah. Don't look at me like that, Chanyeol. Don't you look at me like that. It's Playboy. He's like, oh, let's play. Don't be saying those things to me. All of these songs are just, though these are my kind of songs, like they're just like so like chill and like. Hold on, did you see Kai in the background? Watch Kai in the background. I've never noticed that before.
Yes.
Yes, exactly. And this high note Baekhyun's about to hit. All of them just really need to stop. And by stop, I mean continue, please. Alright, last one, Artificial Love, which is one of my all-time... This is Jacob's all-time favorite song. Yeah, by the way. And they call it, a.k.a. the cane dance.
Oh, all right, pimpin'. Grown man style.
Do I need to rewind that?
We have the pole, they have the cane.
Exactly.
What? Yeah, we don't want that. That part, you're so right.
Ready?
What the?
Can I just please be the cane, though?
Hey.
With his smoky eye. They're all sweaty. There it comes again. Now hold up, you need to see. I'm rewinding this because you need to see. Hold up. You need to see how Lay does this. Watch the left side, not this first one, the next one. I'm gonna rewind that again. Girl, what? He's like
Back into it.
he's looking like he knows what the hell he's doing. I'm just saying.
And his back into it.
You can do it, put your back into it. This performance is gonna be the death of me one day. Or I'm gonna watch it so much I'll become numb to it. No, that'll never happen. What am I talking about? That'll never happen. I love the song.
Wait, what's what's this?
And just a little something extra.
Really?
are so tight.
Wait, who put the blindfolds on?
They put them on themselves.
And now you gonna throw it out there? Oh my God, don't do that. Okay. It's like don't have them kill each other like that.
No. So that is one of my absolute favorite live performances of theirs. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Lost for words. Canes,
blindfolds, body rolls,
rain, water,
rain,
wet.
water. She can say words.
Just
She just
a
can't
lot.
say a sentence. Canes, blindfolds, rain, water, wet.
Put them all together, and what does that sound like?
Yeah, legit. Oh man. So yeah, so they have different segments of like their concert. This is like the sexy segment of their concert. They have like a very cutesy section. They have like a acoustic section where all they're just sitting down and just like playing the guitar and singing with no like background tracks or anything. They have like a super hype like club type section where there's a lot of like lasers and everything flashing everywhere. Yeah, so they have like just different. This is this is the sexy section.
Awesome.
But yeah, yay! I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction. I always enjoy watching that. So if you ever want anybody to react to that, you just let me know because I am totally fine with them. I'm fine sitting here watching it with them all over again because that is one of my favorite performances. I get stupid giddy
now
smile.
I can't speak.
Exactly.
You passed it on.
I get like a stupid giddy smile. I know the earlier, like the first couple videos we were recording, like I couldn't like form sentences and she had to speak for me. It's like the reverse now. She's like, I don't know. This is what they do to you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so okay, well we're gonna end this. My face is like the color of my shirt. We're gonna end this and we're gonna see you guys in another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be amazing. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.